Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting this look for you here. I don't know if you can see it. But basically I've used a new palette today, one of my favourites, Anastasia. I was going to use a bit of the Morphe, but to be honest with you, the Anastasia one was like perfect by itself, so I didn't really need any shadows from it. Another thing, I've been using these brushes today. These are the Spectrum collection brushes, and these brushes are mind-blowing. Like, as you guys know, I only use Real Technique brushes. I do have some Morphe, but I haven't used them yet because I just want to like try and test different ones out, and I'm so impressed with these brushes. They're so soft and so like easy to work with. They're very easy to blend eyeshadow with. Like, I was super impressed. Another thing guys, I've been trying something else under my eyes. Basically, when I'm putting my concealer on, what I'm doing is I'm dabbing it with my finger and then setting it with powder straight away, because remember I was telling you that I have these under eye lines and it's really frustrating. So that's something that I tried, and if you want me to do a tutorial on it, then please comment down below and I will do that for you guys. Today I only used like 3 brushes, mainly these 2. This one was just to like blend like the colour together, but without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to pick up the colour Burnt Orange, that one. I'm going to pick up that first, and then I'm going to go in with this one, that is Red Ochre. So taking the Spectrum A08 brush, I'm going to tap some of that, and these colours are super pigmented by the way guys, so a little goes a long way. And I'm just going to place that here. Like always, I always start from there and then just drag it inwards, and I'm going to try and blend it as much as I can inwards in the corner, because I don't know why, I just like it when there's like a transition colour there. Like, for me, like, it's a lot better. I'm going to try and take the shadow a bit above. I'm super in love with this palette by the way guys, like I just love it. I've actually got another one in my drawer because I'm so scared that they're going to discontinue it, so I thought I need to get extras. And I'm going to make it like a V at the end, because I'm not going to use like a black or anything like that for this look, so just like a V like that. So I'm locking it in. As you can see, I did that there too. Now I'm taking the Spectrum A12 brush, which is just like that, and I'm taking the Red Ochre colour, that one there, yeah, that one, and I'm just going to tap a bit on. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it right into the crease, like just, I'm going to place the eyeshadow first before blending it out. I'm just locking it in like that, and now I'm going to try and blend it in. And remember, I don't want any harsh lines, so blend it in with the orange basically. By the way guys, I know sometimes when you look at YouTube videos and stuff like that and Instagram, and when they have like branded eyeshadows or whatnot, like you always want to get some, but honestly you can use whatever eyeshadow you have at home and whatever brushes you have at home. It can be the same colour, it can be different, it's just all about technique and own preference, so don't be thinking that you have to go out and spend so much money. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take that from here and I'm going to drag it in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this big buffing kind of brush. This is the CO6, it's like that, and I'm just going to blend the colours together, so obviously you don't know where the colour begins or ends. Don't worry guys, we're going to be going in with a bit more colour in a bit anyway. You know, I think I'm doing this eye better than that. I think because I was just practicing with that one. By the way guys, you know the metallic shadows from this palette, they are super pigmented. Like, I'm so impressed. I did have one of these palettes before, but it wasn't actually mine. You know when you just borrow something from someone and don't give it back. But now that I have my own, I understand why everyone's so stingy to like use this. And does anyone else do that when you just have like eyeshadow that you love, but you just don't want to use it and you just want to stare at it because it's so pretty? And I'm going to take a bit more of that orange shade and drag it inwards just like that. Now I'm going to take this shade Primavera, that one, Primavera, yeah. And look at this guys, pigment. And I'm just going to place that in on the lid, sorry, not in the lid. I'm not going to take it too above guys, because it's not actually cut crease, it's just a bit of blingness, if that is even a word. And I didn't do eyeliner this look, because I just wanted to kind of keep it more about the shadow. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bit more of that orange shade and just tap it in. Keep it like that. This ring light is kind of blinding, but yeah. That's the look guys. I'm going to take a bit more of that red ochre colour and just tap a little bit more underneath. Oops, I got some more over. I'm actually really happy with that. So this is the look. I think I need to take a bit more orange. Yeah. You know what it is, because the window light's coming from there, you can't really see it. There you go. I put my hand there, but anyway, that's look. This palette is a godsend, honestly. Like, I love it, but I'm so stingy to use it because it's so pretty. Look at it. Oh god, I've just lost my lash somewhere here. Oh no. Oh, here it is. It's in a sock drawer. So I'm just using the Enchanted ones by Eyelure. I'm using their glue as well, because their glue is actually really good. Sorry, these are used lashes, so I'm just taking a, like, I didn't realise there's extra glue on there, so I'm just taking that off. Just place a bit of glue on there. Whenever I put lashes on, I struggle so much with, like, I think I struggle because I don't put them on every day, but it's really weird when I put them on, like, normally I'm fine. Like, I have like these like weird times where sometimes I'm fine with them and sometimes I struggle, so it's a bit weird, but yeah, I really like this. I should have come out. I then wait for this glue to dry. Excuse my nails guys, I need to sort them out, but you know when you just have 110 things to do. Okay, let's try this guys. do you think all these beauty gurus that just make eyelashes look so easy, like, honestly, I look at them and I'm like, one day, oh god. And the thing is, my mirror's actually in a really good place, so I'm having to use these hand ones, so that means I'll lose one hand. Bind that together. I'm just going to take the end of the mirror. I need a bit more moving on the bit. I'm gonna get that on now. Is the real question, guys. You know, some of these beauty channels, like when I go to their videos and put oldest first, like honestly they've come such a long way, and it's like, it's really good to see how people like improve on their skills, like, and it's not even skills, it's just like trend, how it changes. Like, it's really good to see, and I think it's really nice when people empower one another, regardless if you're male or female. Like, you shouldn't put one another down. Like, don't get me wrong, I've had situations where I've like cussed someone, but then I don't think you should say something where you're gonna put someone down, like something about what they think is really good and you think shit, like, if that makes sense. Just gonna put mascara on the lower lash line, being very careful because I've had very horrible situations where it's just smudged. I'm just going to put it on at the top just to make them look together. I was trying to put some plum eyeliner in, but it just didn't work. This is the finished eye look. You know what, I think I need a bit more of that shade here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please give it a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe, share if you would like to, and please do leave any comments down below on any of the videos you'd like to see or any of the palettes you want me to use, because I know Anastasia, everyone loves their palettes, so that's just a must. Yeah, this eyelash is just not always it today, but yeah, I hope to see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.